Jay Flynn back, man, backstage, man, with the boss himself, man, straight out of Jamaica. Busy himself, man. This music speaks. Busy, what's up, man? Glad to have you in Atlanta, brother. Man, thank you, man. You came back home, huh? Right.
Busy. Basically, I'm saying the lyrically inclined to busy signal. Hey, hey.
Been a lot of things going on. I know you started out in 2003 with doing the debut album, you know, Step Out, right?
Started doing music professionally. But the Step Out album came out, I think, in 05, 06.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, 05, 06. Okay. That's a blast of the. But where the name Busy Signal came from? Everybody, where'd that come from?
It's just me trying to, be hands-on with everything, trying to know what's going on, trying to, just do what I can and be busy with it, like literally. So my friends was like, yo, you're too busy. Why you're just up and about all over the place? Why you so busy? So that's how it really came up, and we just put a signal to it and, try to get it as an AKA for it. Just took off as a dancehall name, and it really make a big difference in terms of doing music and to keep me focused and keep me like literally busy doing what I do. Songwriter, DJ, all in one. What's going on with that? We trying to figure that out. Yeah, I'm just blessed with the talent, and I just do all kinds of stuff. I just do all kinds of stuff, and I'm so happy. I'm just enjoying the moment, and each day I go along, I just try to be the best version of myself each day and try to capitalize on whatever I have, and we just keep the work going and try to get it going as much as possible so the fans can really have something to listen to each time they go to listen to something. They could click and listen to Busy, they could see a video, quality videos, quality songs. I'm really interested in doing that. I'm not one of those who just put anything out there.
Right.
I try
to put a lot of influence in the last video.
I try to do what I can and get it to that level that people could really relate to it. Quality and stuff. So I try to do what I can, and just get it going.
Sometimes I wonder if what if when me say step out, me did a step back? What if me never smoke weed and I smoke crack? What if me never master my craft? Business lock. Wonder how them girl ya woulda react. What if me did a bleach fit on brown because me black? What if me tattoo me eye, me face, me neck and I'm back? What if me was the type of person fi murder me friend because him borrow me strap and no bring it back? What if me did a grab purse and a broke shop? Police pull me over and me vehicle full of shop. Big shootout, you say turf skull crack. Simple mean I woulda made this man the microphone a chat. What if we never have selectors on this track? You probably woulda never hear this track. What if when me say watch out for this, you never watch out for that? Me get the blessing from the Father up at top. You never know. What if your best friend turn you forward? If tomorrow morning Jamaica starts? You never know. All you know is without the Most High, nothing not possible. You believe in the Most High God. Martin Luther King weekend. Right here, so we say to push up around the year, so. Most High Jah we have give thanks to. Oh, Father, who art in Zion, hallowed be thy name. Push up around the year, never mercy. Lord, I say push up here and give thanks to Most High Jah. So up here and say so. Hallowed be thy name. You know it's true now. Sing a song with me now. What glad something to up to the place. Freedom, 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 freedom. So I said what this should be must be. That's like to sing a song with me. They say we now go and chill again. With the freedom, 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 freedom. So I said what this should be must be. That's like free. So we now go and chill again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we are go sail again. Oh. You woulda never see me call me friend for bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more. Oh no. No bracelet up in the house no more. Oh no. Me step out and hold me one for sure. Oh. Real hustlers a road and make money galore. Hey, so me say if you ever been to jail before, you have to keep a eye open even if you a snore. One mount a cardboard, some man a beat it on the floor. Tired for mark X, I hear the steel doors are roar. Plus the one of them, if you ever been behind the bars. Although some innocent them have to live with the stars. You can't this kind of day you come a road a war. You can't wake a man with dip in your cookie jar. Say we now go a jail again. Oh no. And we never gonna feel again. Oh no. Like a ship we a go sail again. Sing it louder. Oh, this Miss baby, miss you, sing it again, say, I need your tenderness. Resist you, miss you, baby, miss you. Yo, I love that energy. She got big up herself on the world stuff. Yeah? Music speaks, big up on herself, yeah? Yeah? VIP, solista, big up on herself, yeah? Straight up. Straight up. Yeah, man.
For the next up and coming artists out of Jamaica, out of the islands, period.
Yeah.
What influence you got? What you want to say to them?
I just want to say, keep focused. Keep focused, do the work, you know what I mean? Do what you can. Do not think it's about the drinks and the jewelry and the girls and the cars, man. Those, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
The hard work, the work ethic, the dedication, that type of, being on the grind and never get complacent.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Right.
Keep that work going.
Keep it.
You got the new school artists that's coming up. You got artists that's been doing dancehall for years. You got artists that doing dancehall with a little twist right now. You got even international younger artists that's doing rapping or whatever. Keep focused, man, and known trouble. Known time, forget yourself in another trouble. Just focus, do your work, because we are all coming from the gutter and the grind, man.
Right.
Most of us do not come from a place where we have it all.
Right.
We're coming from the gutter, the grime. So it's like when we make it to something, we can't lose that. We can't get ourselves in problems. We gotta step different. We gotta focus and do positive things or do what we do. You know what I mean? Serious. Say a busy signal is I say watching and big up music speaks, you know the thing go. Oi, one phone call it tech, music speak.